supposed to feel.
What's up, YouTube viewers? Today we're taking a relaxing ride through Los Fresnos Park here in Texas. If you're looking for a few minutes to unwind, you're in the right place. One of the things I enjoy about riding through parks like this is that you get to slow down and notice things you might miss when driving. The trees, the open spaces, and even the sounds of nature have a way of helping you clear your mind. As we continue down the trail, you can see why parks are such a great community resource. They're perfect for walking, jogging, biking, or just getting outside for some fresh air. Now, my e bike is doing most of the hard work today, so let's not give me too much credit for all the speed. If I look athletic in this video, just remember there's a motor helping out behind the scenes. One thing I like about e-bikes is that they make it easier to spend more time exploring. You can cover more ground without arriving home feeling like you just competed in a professional cycling event. The trail's looking great today, and it's always interesting to see how different the parks feel depending on the weather, the time of the day, and the season. Even familiar places can feel brand new. If you're from the Rio Grande Valley, you probably know that finding a nice spot to ride can make all the difference. Sometimes all you need is a good trail, a little sunshine, and a reason to get outdoors. As we continue along, take a moment to enjoy the scenery. No traffic jams, no honking horns, and no waiting at a red light. It's just a peaceful ride and a chance to relax for a few minutes. Of course, every ride comes with important decisions, like do I keep riding and enjoy the weather, or head home and see what's in the refrigerator? That's usually the toughest choice of the day. Parks like this also remind us how important it is to have places where people can get outside, stay active, and spend time with family and friends. Whether you're riding, walking, or simply enjoying the view, there's something here for everyone. We're getting close to the end of today's ride, and I hope you enjoyed coming along. If you like the scenery and want to see more e-bike rides, park trails, and local adventures from around the Rio Grande Valley, be sure to follow along. Thanks for riding with me today, and I'll see you on the next trail.
How it's supposed to feel.